Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Highland CDP, local and long distance movers near me. A move of more than 50 miles is considered a long distance. Our rates are reasonable and our movers are professional. Our way to secure the security of any relocation is to develop a connection with the law's agents. We also have excellent working relationships with both federal and state agencies, and this contributes to the overall security of our relocation process. Additionally, we have insurance coverage in place to protect you from any potential obligations that may arise during or after the transfer. Our movers are also professionals and registered, and you can feel secure leaving your belongings in their care. We never make a mistake when a customer's things and take great care not to lose or damage any of them throughout the relocation. Apart from long-distance relocation, we can also assist with local relocations. All you need to do is get in touch with us, and our rates are very reasonable, ranging between $30 and $40 per hour. Additionally, our drivers are well suited to the area's topography. We have no issues with busy towns, which means your belongings are safe from loss or damage. If you're having difficulty creating a moving strategy, our experts can assist you. We have extensive experience resolving a wide variety of moving issues, and you can trust us to provide you with only the finest. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Highland CDP moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.